Section 7A, Finding Trig Values. Alright, what we want to know is how to use this phrase, SOHCAHTOA. And SOHCAHTOA comes from having a triangle, a right triangle to be specific, knowing what side is the hypotenuse, and the longest side is the hypotenuse, or the side opposite the right angle. The opposite and adjacent part, which is what those letters represent, opposite and adjacent, depend on what angle you're looking from. So if we look from this angle towards the other side of the triangle, this would be considered the side opposite it, and this would be considered the side adjacent to it. So if I were to change my perspective, again, there's your hypotenuse, and if I were to look from this angle away towards the other side, then this side becomes opposite, and this side becomes, the adjacent side. So in these questions, they're saying find a trig ratio, which is a fraction. So we have to know where we're looking from. So in number 1, they want to look from angle Z, which is right here. So right away we want to say what side is hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. Again, 34 is the longest side, so that is the hypotenuse. If you're looking from Z, then 30 is the opposite side, and the 16 would be the side adjacent. Now, they say to use sine, and this is where SOHCAHTOA comes from, or it comes in handy. Sine is a ratio opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is a ratio of adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent is a ratio of opposite over adjacent. So since they say sine, we're going to look for O over H. So looking from sine Z, it will equal to opposite, which is 30, over hypotenuse, which is 34. And this is acceptable as an answer. It's a proper ratio. If you want to simplify it, be my guest, and then you would have 15/17.